more agentic capabilities,
An AI agent.
Agents.
agentic workflows.
Agentic.
If you've been hearing a lot about AI agents and thinking that sounds way too technical for you, don't worry. Let me explain this like you are five. And to make it even more fun, I'm going to explain it using my favorite superhero, Iron Man. Let's say Tony Stark, aka the Iron Man, is leaving his lab. He turns his trusted assistant and says, "Jarvis, don't let anyone into the lab while I am gone." Now here's what's really happening. Tony is the developer. Jarvis is the AI agent. Tony saying don't let anyone in, that's the prompt. And Jarvis understands it, follows it, acts on it, and even learns from it. This is exactly how AI agents work. They follow a simple 4-step cycle: input, processing, action, and learning. Let's understand it better. Here, input is Tony saying don't let anyone in, while processing is Jarvis checks who's coming, scans faces, checks access and logs. The action is Jarvis locks the lab, blocks unauthorized entry. And learning is Jarvis notices Pepper visits often. So next time he asks Tony if she should be on the VIP list. That's it. See, AI is a really smart brain full of knowledge, but just sitting there, it has a potential, but it doesn't do anything on its own. Now, when you give that brain a task, a to-do list, and tell it exactly what to do, that's when it becomes an AI agent. It doesn't just think, it does the work. Whether it's answering your question, booking your meeting, or sending email. Where AI is the brain, the agent is the one getting the job done. So the next time someone says AI agent, remember, it listens like Jarvis, thinks for you, acts without needing to follow up, and it learns to improve. It's like giving your tasks to a super efficient assistant who never forgets. So why does this matter? Because people who use AI agents can do 10x more with less effort. AI agents are quietly working in the background, saving time, energy, and money. In the future, having AI agents will be like having a team, even you're working alone. If you want to understand how to build your own AI agents, drop "teach me" in the comments and we will make a full tutorial for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.